How can I fix my offline security camera?
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many of us face, an offline security camera. This could be due to several reasons, but don't worry, we'll walk through them step by step. Remember, always prioritize safety when working with electrical equipment.
Is the camera really offline?
Before diving deep, let's ascertain if the camera is indeed offline. 1. Check the power. Ensure your camera is getting power. A simple indicator might be an LED light. 2. Access the camera's interface. Try accessing the camera through its dedicated software or application. Sometimes, it might just be the display that's having an issue.
Troubleshoot connectivity issues.
Now, if you've confirmed the camera is offline, let's consider connectivity problems. 1. Check cables. Physical connections are often the culprit. Ensure all cables are connected properly and are not damaged. 2. Reboot the camera. Sometimes, simply turning the camera off and on can resolve the issue. 3. Router, modem reset. Restart your router, modem. The camera might not be connecting due to network issues.
Software and firmware.
It's crucial to keep your devices updated. 1. Update the camera's software. Ensure the camera's software or firmware is updated to its latest version. 2. Reconfigure settings. Sometimes, restoring to default settings and configuring them again helps. However, note down your current settings before doing this.
Hardware concerns.
If connectivity isn't the issue, it might be the camera's hardware. 1. Inspect the camera. Look for visible damages. If there's damage, you might need professional repair or replacement. 2. Test on another network. Sometimes, the issue could be with your home or office network. Test the camera on a different network to rule this out. Fixing an offline security camera can be a systematic process. By following these steps, you'll likely find the root of the problem and have your camera back online in no time. We hope this guide has been helpful. Always prioritize safety and, when in doubt, consult with professionals. Stay safe and stay connected.